Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is the another most important scenario-based Power BI interview question that has been asked by the TCS interviewer during the recruitment process of Power BI developer job role. Okay, so before moving into the question, let me show you the data set that I have already imported into this Power BI desktop environment, and that is called as the sales detail. Okay, so if you want to see the data, just click on this table view, and here you can see inside this sales detail table we have only two columns. One is order date and next column is the sales column. All right, so based on these two columns we have to calculate the running total of sales over time, where the running total at any point represent the sum of sales from the start of the year to the current year. Okay, so in short, if I'll tell you, in this particular table visual, this is a table visual that I have already created. Okay, and in this table visual I have taken the year column from the order date and sales column. Okay, so in this table visual we have to create another column called as the running total column, and that running total column will show the data of cumulative total of running total of this sales column on the basis of this year column. Okay, so how can you do that? So before that, let me tell you what is running total, or we can call it as the cumulative total. Okay, so running total means the current year data along with the previous year data. Okay, for example, I want to find out the running total of 2015. So what will be the running total of 2015? It will be 279.46 plus the previous year, that is 247.84. Okay, like that, suppose I want to calculate the running total of 2017. So what will be the value? The value will be this 11,372.24 plus this amount plus this amount plus this amount. Okay, that will be the running total of 2017. Okay, so I want that running total value in a new column called as the running total. So let's see how can we calculate that running total, or called as the cumulative total column, in this particular table visual. All right, so for that, what you have to do, first of all, you have to click on this particular table, and in this table we have to create a new measure. Okay, so just right click on it, then click on new measure. Okay, and then just rename it as running total. Okay, then equal to, and after that here we have to use one DAX function that is called as the SUMX DAX function. Okay, where we are using this SUMX DAX functions because it returns the sum of an expressions evaluated for each row in the table. Okay, these SUMX DAX functions work with row level, that's why we are using SUMX here. Okay, so SUMX DAX functions take two arguments, that is table and expression. So in place of table we will use the sales detail table. So this is the sales detail table, but before that we will use one filter text functions on this table. Okay, all right, and let me tell you why we are using this filter text function, because we have to filter something from this particular sales detail table. Okay, and filter text function take two arguments, that is table and filter expression. So this is the table name, then keep the comma. Okay, the next argument is the filter expression, right? So in place of filter expression we will write order date column is less than or equal to max of order date column. Okay, then close the bracket and again close the bracket for this filter text function. Okay, then again give the comma. All right, then the next argument is expression for this SUMX text function. Okay, so in place of table we will have used this entire thing, and for the expression part of SUMX we will use here as sales column of the order detail table. All right, then close the bracket and click enter. Then now just drag the running total column inside this table visual. Okay, but here you can see the value is not coming properly. This value is exactly same as the sales column, right? But we need the running total on this particular column. So for that, again click on this running total measure, okay, that we have created, and here in place of sales details table we will use another text functions, that is all. Okay, why we are using all? Because it will remove all the filter that have been applied inside this sales detail table, and here we will close it. Okay, then just again click enter, and now here you can see we are getting the exact result. So let me explain you how this statement work, and specifically this particular statement. And as you can see here, this is the order date of the sales table first we have taken, right? And if the order date of the sales table is less than or equal to maximum of the order column of the sales table, then we have to calculate the SUMX to find out the running total. Okay, for example, currently we are in 2016. All right, and I want to find out the running total of 2016. Okay, as I have written here, I want the order date of the sales detail table. So we will consider now 2016 is the order date of the sales table currently. All right, so if 2016 is less than or equal to maximum of the order date of the sales table. So as I have already told you, currently we are in 2016. So the maximum date for this particular column is 2016. Okay. So now if 2016 is less than or equal to 2016, then here this is the current date, that is order date, but the maximum date is also the same like 2016, right? That's why if 2016 is less than or equal to 2016, then we have to perform the SUMX text function on top of that. It means if we want to calculate the running total of 2016, then we have to calculate the previous 2 years sales along with this current year sales. Okay, that is 247.84 plus 279.46 plus 2325.84, and the amount, or we can say the running total, is 2853.14. All right, and now here you can see we are getting the exact result, right? For 2014 we are getting the same value, that is 247.84, because previously we don't have any data for 2012-13 like that, right? And for 2014 we are getting as 527. So how can we get this 527? If we will add 247 plus 279, we will get the value as 527, right? Like that, for 2016, how you are able to get this 2853.14, that is the summation of the current year, that is 2016 plus 279.46 plus 247 plus 84, right? If we will sum these three values, then we will get the 2853.14. Likewise, in this column we got the exact running total value for each value of the sales column. Okay, all right. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.